Hi, welcome to Sotally Tober. I'm Dak. It's chilly out there, I know, but as we all have to, wrap gifts. No one wants to. Do you even know how to? I didn't until I saw my show. So stick around and I'll show you how to wrap these gifts. That was actually relatively enjoyable. I probably still hit it. Oh. Is it gonna curdle? It's cream and hot. I actually see it curdling already. Welcome back to another episode of Sotally Tober, and Merry Christmas. So today, we're gonna be wrapping gifts, which I'm terrible at. I generally don't wrap gifts, and if I can, I'll buy a bag and throw some tissue paper in it. But today, we're gonna go over how to wrap gifts. It's so hot, I can't even taste the alcohol. I'm gonna start sweating with this. I'm gonna start sweating. Oh, it's so cold out. Let me get some hot chocolate. Oh, I taste the alcohol. It's like, I kind of just want it to be hot chocolate, but it's not just hot chocolate, so it's okay. To start, we're gonna start really easy. We're just gonna start with a simple box. You'd find anywhere for anything. You could put a big book in here. That's definitely what this is for. To start, we're gonna lay the box on top of a sheet of paper. Excuse me, I'm sorry. Excuse me. Wrap it around, and I'd say get a little bit of extra paper. I don't want to get up, so I'm just gonna try to cut it from here. So now, that's like kind of a lot, actually. Too much paper. I'm sure we could fold it in there somehow. I'm flipping it over now. So now they're folded into me, and I'm just gonna fold this all the way as far as I can, make it as taut as possible. Get your tape, throw a bad boy on there. Taped. All right, cool. So now, fold these in. Try to get this flat. Maybe we should cut it. Okay, make a cut right here. And then fold down flat. Oh yeah, I like it. Fold the sides in. Fold them in. Fold everything. Fold it in. Just like a paper airplane. Bingo. Bango. Last fold right here. Simple. Fold her up. Bongo. Oh, that's great. That's money right there. Seriously, that turned out way better than I thought it was going to. That's incredible. Wow, that looks like an actual wrapped gift. All right, so now we have to do it again. Do you think the cuts are worth it? Okay, I'm gonna do it, guys. Secret is in the cuts. Hold it down. Just flat. Flatten that sucker. Wow. Wow. That is the simplest way to do it. You ever fold a paper airplane before? Just fold a big one on a box. Boom! Look how beautiful that is. That's a regular gift. It's a regular ass gift. That's how you wrap a box. That's pretty good. Next on the agenda, we're gonna wrap a football. This is a perfect gift to give your son or someone who doesn't have a football. Start off with this bad boy. I'm just gonna cut off a bunch because I don't know exactly how I'm gonna go about this. Man, when I was a kid, I saw my mom do that, like the really swift scissors cut, and I was like, wow, I wish I could do that. That's so crazy. And I'm sitting here just like, oh my, wearing my hands out. I could never figure it out. I mean, I did. I don't remember when, but obviously sometime in between then and now I figured it out. All right, moving on. Just think giant hard candy. You almost don't even need tape. We're gonna use it. Couple here and there. Make sure it stays together. And honestly, do you think you could guess what this is? No. Don't worry if you have rips. That's why they're then in tape. Time. Did someone tie me on that? Shit, yeah. That's so dope. I almost forgot. How do I tie my shoes? I think that's how I'm gonna tie this one. No present is complete without a bow. This is gorgeous. Beautiful. All right. Set hike. So now we're gonna move on to something a little more complicated. Wrapping this bad boy. Now we're gonna start off. I think we wanna wrap the neck first. Neck of the guitar. I like the idea. Put it underneath. Same principle. Let's get to stop right before these. What would these be, the shoulders then of the guitar? I think that's what they're called. Just cut off this section right here. This is so much more difficult than I thought it would be. Oh my gosh. Well, luckily we're probably not gonna be using that side. But now, wrap her up. It's okay, if it's a little high, we can always whoop, slide down. Wrapping the first layer first. Oh geez. And then this layer next. I gotta tape that somehow. This is too much. I got too much. Much too much. All right, we're just gonna tape a piece of this tape. Almost lost the guitar. Put the tape on here first. Oh no. Okay, and wrap it around. I think I'm just gonna rip that off. That's fine. You probably shouldn't set the guitar down like this, but we're gonna do it today. Don't worry, it's not yours. Just, you know, don't hesitate with the tape. Don't hesitate! Is that a song? That's a song. Not a Christmas song, though. I'm just gonna basically tape this whole thing. And then you could just tape it to the guitar itself, too. That's fine. Everything is cool, man. You ever met someone who plays guitar? They probably think it's pretty cool, too. All right, so now we're getting into the hard part. We're gonna tape the body. I mean, we're gonna wrap the body. Yeah, I like that. I'll tell you what, this is a huge roll of wrapping paper. This is fucking 15 feet long. How am I still cutting? Jeez. Oh! Did you get that? I just stabbed myself. Careful, this is gonna be a very dangerous job, apparently. Hey, if I start bleeding, let me know. So we didn't get enough. I cut it too short. So we're just gonna roll. Pardon me. Bingo, guys. I don't know what I don't like about that drink. The Baileys or the 2 pounds of chocolate mix. All right, so we're just wrapping around the whole body. I think that's the best bet, right? Tuck it in, flip her over. We've wrapped around the whole body, and now we're just gonna cut it out from the wrapping paper that we have. Leave yourself a little room, a couple inches, to fold over. Fold this over. Tuck it in like a little burrito. Oh, it's so stuck to my finger. Oh, don't hesitate, guys. I bought 15 rolls, and I'm gonna use every single one. Oh God, it's so warm. I mean, brr, it's cold in here. Ugh. Don't underestimate folding. Fold this paper down, just folding over the corners. I mean, for all they know, they could probably be getting a shovel. Wow. Look at this. Look how clean that looks. Beautiful. Check it out, guys. Want to learn how to make a bow real quick? I'll show you. I'll show you something you can take home. Huge long strand, right? Yep, cool. Loop, 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 another loop. Could you guess what's coming next? Another loop! That kind of looks like a bowish. And then I'm gonna take these and twirl them at the bottom. And now I have no idea what I'm doing at this point. So at first it started out really cool, but that kind of looks like a bow. So we're just gonna take our tape. No, my bow! Okay, wait, I can fix this. This is a nightmare. Does that count as a bow? I made my own bow. Guess what this is? It's a shovel. Next! Okay, so for this last gift, this one is something close to my heart and something I would also give a dear friend. It was so harsh. Okay. Wow, this is some fancy ass paper. What side should I use right here? Look at this. We got this one, or we have this one. I think we're gonna use this one. No. Yes. Take your base. We're gonna cut off a segment for your base. And then we want to take just like another section. Don't underestimate the power of fold, people. Still too much. Go. Alrighty-o. Just add a little color to this. Wait. Basically making a little cone here. I'm just gonna fold the cone up after this. For all they know, they could be getting wine. I know you should probably be seeing this, but look at that. Tied it around. I don't really know what to do with this, so I'll put it up here for now. Putting a bow at the very top of that. Guys, I love it. I love it, I love it. It's beautiful. It also has a little carrying thing. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. I hope they enjoy this as much as we all did. Until next Sotally Tober. I think the gift wrapping, I think the gift wrapping, fuck me, bro. I think the gift wrapping experience went pretty well. I think I'm pretty proud of this. Look at this, can you tell what any of this stuff is? Bet you could not. There's no way. I'm not up for hire, but if you need something really complicated, I can give you advice, so call in.